Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you can't tell, this is going to be on 2 units that I picked up. So before I get into into the units, let me get into why I purchased the units. So first of all, I wanted to find 2 simple units for because I don't glue my lace fronts down to last a week or 2 weeks. I glue mine down to last a day, probably a day or 2. Okay, I don't do the ball cap method and all that other stuff where it's stuck to your head. I like to take my units off at night. I like to sleep in peace, okay? So I was looking for 2 units so what happens is sometimes on Saturday or Sunday mornings, my husband will early in the morning be like, especially with everything that's going on now, he'll be like, let's go ahead and run to the grocery store. You know, let's go ahead and go do this. Let's go ahead and go do that, okay? And when you get up early in the morning like that, sometimes it's like 7:30 in the morning, and he's like, let's go ahead and run to Walmart before anybody gets to Walmart, and this unit is already bothering me. So when you do that, you don't want to have to get up, grab a lace front, grab the got to be glued, tie it down with a bandana, hold on, let me do this. Like, I don't want to have to do all that to inconvenience him. So while we're trying to look good and stay beautiful, we definitely don't want to be a pain in the butt for the men. You know, and my husband is an early morning person. So when he's on the move, he's on the move. He's more of a get everything done early person versus me. I can get up later and do what I need to do. But right now with everything that's going on with the stores and the lines and so many people in the store at a time and stuff like that, I don't mind him waking me up and saying, let's go ahead and knock out at least the grocery store. I don't mind that. But I don't want to have to get up, put my lace front on, glue my lace front down, do my baby hairs and all that other kind of stuff. I just don't want to be bothered with all that. I don't want to have him waiting either, because he's already in go mode and pretty much ready to roll when he gets me up. So I was looking for 2 simple units that I can put on. I was looking for something with a bang, preferably, so I can just throw it on and we can be out the door. You know what I'm saying? So went to my beauty supply store, and he had buy one get one free wigs. They were $39.99 each, so basically $20 a wig, which wasn't that bad for me. This, hold on, y'all, the stove is beeping. My bad. Okay, so this was the first one that I picked up. I couldn't really tell what color it was in the package because it said TTPK Gold is what it said. So I thought this, when I looked at the picture, I'm like, okay, this will be pretty good to just throw on. So it's made by, what's it made by? Velo. It's made by Velo. It's premium heat fiber resistant for a curling iron up to 375. I wish he would have had some more simpler colors, but he didn't. So it has a freestyle part, but I don't think I can part it anywhere else. So what's happening is this one is getting on my nerves. I've already wore this one time out with him, and I got to keep doing this, and I got to keep doing this, and I got to keep doing this, and I wear glasses. The glasses kind of keeps the hair back some, but it's still getting on my nerves. So what I think I'm going to try to do, here's the back. It's short in the back. For $20, if I mess it up, I mess it up. But what I think I'm going to try to do is I am going to cut this. And I don't know if it's going to curl the way I want it to curl underneath or if it's going to hang. But first of all, I couldn't tell on here that it was short in the back. I don't like units that are short and come around to the front because it puts everything to the forefront that you're trying to do. So I am going to cut this unit into a bob. And then hopefully when I get ready to go somewhere, I can kind of put it behind my ear once I cut it into a little bob, and that'll be a little bit better. Probably be a little bit better for me. But this one, the way it is right now, is not going to work at all. But if you like this one, this is by Velo. It's called Diva. This one is TTPK Gold, but it's pink. Even my daughter said it's pink. I don't know why they said gold. I don't mind the pink because sometimes you just want to be out there a little bit. So I don't mind the pink, but I don't like the style of it. It's just, it's totally aggravating for me. I don't like stuff in my face. Now I could shift this unit a little bit because I don't even think it looks good on me. I don't even think it looks good on me. I don't. So I could shift it to where my part is somewhere else. See, that looks a lot better to me, but I still need this bob cut. So what I think I'm going to do is cut this, shift my part a little bit like I did, and flex. Because like I said, this isn't going to be wear to work, wear to church, wear out with friends everyday unit. Now, because it's pink, if one of my girls wanted to go for a drink and a quick thought up process, I possibly would throw it on to the side and go have a drink with somebody. But this isn't going to be something that I'm wearing for 8-9 hours or all day till I get off work or nothing like that. Not this one. This is not going to be that. This is an emergency unit. Okay, that's what it is. So I'm going to keep the packaging. So when I take it off, I can put it in the package, and when I need to grab a quick unit, then this will, forgive my nails, I'm getting ready to polish them. This will be a quick unit, okay? The other one that I grabbed, I hope I love it in the box. Here's the thing that one came out of. So, the other one that I grabbed is an Equal free tress, and Equal usually has pretty good wigs. It's a luxury wig. This is Perla. And I grabbed her in my favorite color, the OT613. So this is probably what it's going to look like, because here's the blonde on the bottom and the black on the top. Y'all see it there? I haven't opened her yet, but I have a feeling this is going to be the main one I'm going to graduate to. It has the bang. I don't have to worry about cutting off the lace. I can just throw this on and run to the store. I can just throw this on and run to the Dollar Tree. I can just throw this on and run somewhere. So she's really pretty. I wish they had this copper one, but he did not. I think I'm going to stop back by there in about a week and see if he's still having a buy one, get one free, and see if he's putting more out. Because I would like to grab 2 more with the bang as backups to have in my stash. Because these are synthetic. And synthetic tends to not last too long, even though I'm not going to be wearing them all the time. It's a great backup. And with the bang, I don't have to worry about the lace front. I don't have to worry about how the front of my head looks or fixing my hair. And that's the main objective that I'm trying to get to, is to not have to worry about anything. This one did have straps in the back and combs, and I'm pretty sure this one has straps in the back and combs. Haven't opened it yet. She's really pretty. She's really pretty, and she's my color. Now she's my color. Now, also, the first time I threw this on, which is why it's out of the package, when me and my husband had to run to the store, he was like, "You running to the store in pink hair?" So I'm like, I think that he would like me to throw this one on to run to the store with him more so than to throw this one on. That's just the vibe I got, is that he would probably prefer the blonde and black over the pink, you know. But every now and then I want to do a pink, a green, a blue. I want a blue wig. I want a purple wig. You know, I want a pink wig, but I want a nice lace front human hair one to wear out. But like I said, these were buy one, get one free. They were $39.99 each. I took the sticker off. But anyways, $39.99 each plus tax. So about $20 a unit. Wasn't too bad. What else is in here? Oh. Make sure I don't throw these away. I bought some more cuticle nippers or acrylic nippers, whatever y'all want to call them, from there. So I think that about does it. So that's it. So this one, Velo, and then this one is Free Tress Equal. If you want a review on this one, when I do open it, which will probably be soon, usually on the weekends, you know, we run out and we do all our shopping and everything, let me know. I will do a review on this one as well. I think it's going to be very simple unit, but if you want a review on it, I will definitely do that for you, okay? If you guys have any questions or want to know anything, or you're in South Florida, Palm Beach County, and want to know the beauty supply store, what is it? Alley Beauty, A-L-I. I think, yeah, Alley Beauty. I think there's some in West Palm. I think there's some in Lake Worth. So you can definitely check that out. I don't know if all of them will be having this particular sale, though. I just happened to walk in there, and there was a tote with buy one, get one free wigs in it. So no guarantee that all of them are going to have these units or the sale. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.